Hey, in this quick video, let me show you how easy it is to create bookmarks. So for example, I am working in this Maya scene. I'm working on just a silly animation of my character just chewing on a spike ball, just for fun. And as I'm working on it, for example, if I wanted to render my animation from this angle, and I could set up a camera, but let's say I'm being lazy and I just want to set up a quick bookmark. So how do I set up a bookmark so I can leave this frame and work on maybe the back side of him? Well, all I need to do is just simply click on this icon here. If I press on this once, it looks like nothing happens, but if you right click on it, you can see that camera view 1 has been set, which means if I come over here and select my assets or whatever I'm working on, and I change the angle and the location of the camera, I could quickly get back to it by just right clicking and saying camera view 1, and that's how simple it is. And if you have multiple bookmarks, maybe you want to do one for the back of your character, you can again press it, and now if you right click, now you have camera 1 and 2. You can also go into the edit bookmarks. You can come in here and you can name them, and I can call this front if I wanted to, and I can call this one back. And now if I right click on my thing, and you can see I have a front and I have a back, and that's how simple it is. And it's very useful, especially when you're jumping around different angles, and you can do the same thing with the cameras. So you can create a camera, you can even lock a camera so you can change it. But this is a cool little trick that I think would be useful as you work on your animations. Alright, thanks for watching.